What is current clamp? Well, current clamp is same as voltage clamp, except that it's current. So let's just remind us what we mean by that. Remember that voltage clamp uses negative feedback to keep the voltage constant. Current clamp uses negative feedback to keep current constant. Voltage clamp does it by measuring the voltage difference inside and outside the cell, compares that with a command, amplifies it, and then injects that back current into the cell. So the result is you inject however so much current you need to keep the voltage constant. With current clamp, you don't need to do very much, actually. You just make sure you don't inject any current. So in fact, all you do here is to turn your voltage command off, which means you won't have any more current going in, which means now you can just simply measure the voltage. So basically, it's a really fancy way of saying I got a cell, I used a patch clamp electrode, I approach the cell, until, oh, that didn't work very well, let's just get rid of that. I approach the cell, went into patch clamp mode, and then I broke the seal and I simply measured the voltage. But current clamp sounds a lot more impressive.